Hi there, Greg from Defu IT and Cybersecurity. Today we'll provide an overview of cybersecurity regulations in the UK and what businesses need to know to stay compliant. Cybersecurity regulations are designed to protect data and ensure that businesses handle sensitive information responsibly. Failing to comply can result in hefty fines, legal issues and damage to reputation. The first regulation we'll cover is GDPR, which applies to any business that processes personal data of individuals in the European Union. It requires businesses to protect the privacy of personal data, notify authorities within 72 hours in the event of a data breach, and grant individuals the right to access or delete their data. Non-compliance can lead up to fines of €20 million or 4% of annual global turnover. PCI DSS, or Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, is a set of security standards for businesses that handle credit card information. It includes requirements for protecting cardholder data, maintaining secure systems, and regularly monitoring networks. Non-compliance can lead to fines, increased transaction fees, or even the loss of the ability to process credit card payments. If your business operates in the UK, you should be aware of the Cyber Essentials certification. This government-backed scheme helps businesses protect themselves from common cyber threats. Achieving Cyber Essentials certification demonstrates that your company follows essential security practices, which can be beneficial for securing contracts, especially with government entities. Look out for a more in-depth video on Cyber Essentials in the coming weeks. Regardless of the specific regulations you fall under, you should maintain comprehensive records of your cybersecurity policies and practices, including data protection measures, employee training, and incident response plans. Conduct regular compliance audits and stay informed about updates to regulations that affect your industry. Staying compliant with cybersecurity regulations is crucial for protecting your business and your customers. Check out our other cybersecurity advice videos over on our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe to receive updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video on Cyber Essentials accreditation. Stay secure.